how are creators still paying hundreds of dollars for complicated AI tools when the best ones are completely free? Finding good AI tools that are actually free and simple to use feels almost impossible nowadays. But don't worry, because today I'm showing you the ultimate hidden tool that do all the work for you. If you follow this step-by-step setup until the end of the video, you won't need to search for any other tools ever again. This all-in-one setup covers everything: images and animations, completely free, super fast, and with zero credits required. Plus, I'm going to show you a secret trick in the end of video to download all your videos without any watermarks. Stick around, let's get right into it. You probably already know how to use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate scripts and maybe even create basic images. And honestly, that's a great start. But here's the cold, hard truth. Relying only on those basic tools is keeping your content looking average and turning static images into actual dynamic videos with them is either impossible or full of paywalls. Don't worry though, I found a game-changing set of specialized AI tools that take your raw ideas and transform them into cinematic, fully animated videos. At the top, you have two main modes: Generate and Timeline. Generate is where all your quick AI creations happen, while Timeline gives you full editing control to stitch your clips together like a pro editor. To bring your own assets, use Upload Media to drop images or videos directly from your PC, or click Add from projects to reuse anything you've generated earlier without losing track. Right at the bottom is your main control center. Type any scene idea in the describe a video. Here's where it gets crazy. Ingredients lets you lock specific styles or characters. Start, end frame lets you control the exact motion flow, and advanced gives you full mastery over camera movement. First, let's get a high quality base image. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate something epic, like a cinematic neon samurai in a rainy cyberpunk city. Save your picture and let's make it move. Now open Vibes.ai. At the bottom prompt bar, click Start, End Frame, select Add Start Frame, and hit Upload to drop the image we just created in ChatGPT. Next, type your motion prompt in the box. Slow motion, camera zoom in, rain falling, neon lights blinking. Before you hit Generate, open Advanced Settings and switch the resolution to 720 for crisp quality. Hit Generate, wait a few seconds, and check this out. Also, if you want to discover more tools that will save you both time and money, make sure to subscribe to the channel to make your life easier. A static ChatGPT picture turned into a fully animated cinematic motion video, completely free. Wait, before you export, there's a huge problem. If you download your video normally, Vibes AI slaps a massive Meta AI watermark. You liar! Don't worry, here's the secret workaround. Hover your mouse over your project card in the gallery, right click on it and select Inspect at the bottom of the menu. In the Developer Tools window on the right, look for the highlighted line containing the Clean Media URL. Copy that link, open it in a new tab, and hit download. And boom, you just bypassed the watermark and got your full high quality video 100% clean. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the newest AI tools and free AI discoveries. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.